Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you how I do my natural everyday curls with extremely thick wavy hair because it can be a struggle curling my hair and not getting random kinky waves at the top. So I'm going to show you how I get this look. I am showing you how I curl my hair pretty much, I wouldn't say on a regular basis, but when I do my hair, this is pretty much my go-to how I curl my hair. This is my natural hair. It's thick, it's not curly, but it's not necessarily straight. It's just kind of, it just likes to do its own thing, honestly. It just kind of has its own like texture. Brushing out my hair because I haven't done that yet. Again, this is just the wet brush. I've talked about it in my previous video that I did my hair. And we're just gonna brush it through. And then we're gonna take our straightener. I'm gonna turn this on, get it heated up, and we'll get started. I have my straightener heated up. I just use the classic Chi, mine's red. Because my hair does have a natural wave, if I just curled it like this, it would be super awkward up top and it would just kind of fall out. Not natural, not, you know, pretty in any way. I like to take a straightener and straighten the tops of my hair to get it smoothed out and just to make it a little bit more maintenance looking. So we're gonna do that. I've straightened the tops of my hair. As you can see, it's a lot smoother and just prettier. Now I'm gonna take my curling iron. Like I said, this is just a Revlon curling iron. I probably got this at Walmart, just like a 1.5 inch barrel. I'm totally guessing, I don't completely know, but I will try to find it and link it below if you are interested in which curling iron I use. It's pretty good size curls, nothing too like ringlet, but also nothing huge that just falls out pretty easily. When I curl my hair, I just split it into two sides, and then I curl one side and then I curl the other side. So I don't, you know, half it up or anything like that. I just put it on the hottest setting, let it heat up for a second, and we'll get started. I'm just gonna start with the piece in the back, and when I curl it, I don't go all the way to the top of my head. I like to, you know, kind of end it where I had straightened it before. So I just curl it going up. Then I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, probably about 10 seconds, and then we move on. Honestly, it's pretty simple and basic. I just curl my hair normal, like I don't do anything fancy. The main thing about my hair is I don't straighten the top. It just, the random just wavy kinks in my hair don't go away, and it just looks really bad. So straightening my hair is the biggest thing that I do. I actually used to straighten my hair after I would curl it, and I just noticed that it would end up really weird. I'm like, I don't know why I don't just curl, or I don't know why I don't straighten it before, so I have it done already. So that's what I have been doing probably for about a year now, and it works perfectly. front piece, I pretty much curl it the same, but I go a lot higher up so that it frames my face better. So we're just going to curl it to the top, and we're gonna be like combing through the curls so that they're all together in a piece instead of separately. Alright, now that I have finished this side, I'm going to do the other side the exact same way that I just curled my hair, and I will be right back. Alright, now that I have curled all of my hair, I'm just going to use a brush and lightly brush through the curls. Nothing super dramatic, just kind of lightly brush them out, just so that they kind of flow together. Sometimes if I'm like going out or if I want more of like a dramatic look, I will tease the top of my hair with the teasing comb, but today's just kind of a relaxed day, so I just want a natural curl. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know if there's any video requests. Comment below, subscribe, leave a thumbs up. It is so appreciated. I'm so thankful for all the support. Also, you can check out my other social media channels. I have Instagram, TikTok, and yeah, I think that's it. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.